It don't matter. Oh dang, I didn't even realize I started already. I need a new camera. Yeah, I've been eating. Seriously? I'm like, I ain't even did nothing yet. Hey everybody, it's Demetria again, and today I'm doing, because I've been asked about this a lot, y'all seen me do the lock reattachments. I said out on one of my last videos that I was going to start offering the instalocs, which is somebody who already has their hair or loose. They don't have locks, haven't started them, nothing twisted, and they're still using like the same tool to get it done. The difference is, instead of those twists that everybody have, the coils and everything, your hair is basically locked already. So I am going to do a demonstration of maybe one while I'm on here. So let's see his. So these are some that I had already done earlier this morning. As you can see, like this, he got his little puffs in. So we're working on another row. I am going to do it on camera if I can get me a cameraman. Hold on. Hold on, you might be able to do this one yourself. You care about your face?
Who?
Yours on being on camera.
Right.
Do you care about your face being on camera?
Nah.
Okay.
Can I get paid
No.
for being on camera? No, this not.
Let's see if we can.
What's up, y'all?
We're gonna see what they can see.
I'm gonna try to hold it over here.
So like I said, y'all, again, he doing his little instalock process. So no twisting this. And in a minute after I get finished doing all this plotting, if I can get a better cameraman outside of the person who's getting their hair done. So for the price of these will start at 4 inches or less. It's $250 for the month of January. So y'all better get on to this right now.
I got more than 4 inches, everybody.
No, it don't. Your hair is drawn up. Y'all see it. So what I ain't doing, I'm gonna spray some water on his hair to loosen his hair back up for me a little bit. So at the moment I ain't doing nothing but separating. And I know like y'all that's actually watching that's paying attention to what it is I'm doing and want to learn how to do it. Hold on. Come here. Come here. I got a cameraman. Let's see. Video me doing that. Huh. You go to my page.
God damn, you want to take over my phone?
Yes, damn it. Okay.
It's gonna be a jet, man.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that is a real leg in it. Okay, so all I'm doing right now is, you don't have to do this for everybody here, but it's more of a back home, so it helps me a little bit by giving it a little bit of volume, so that I'm not spending a whole bunch of time using the tool. I think he asked me before, did I have to, could he still comb this out? Yes, but why would you? So here's your little tool. And I am sliding down like a little bit down so that you can get your clean twist in the end. Now this is hazardous. Can y'all see that? That's from me stabbing myself in the hand with the needle. Way. And I can feel the hair that's being pulled in this. Come in a little closer. Now this is hazardous. Can y'all see that? That's from me stabbing myself in the hand. Way. So we got the little end right here. And I don't know if y'all can see that part, but quick little roll. It started getting this in what I needed to be. And then another quick come down. Now I have been thinking about giving classes on different stuff, but I need y'all to inbox me, post on my Facebook or something that said I want to do classes or you would be interested, whether it's lock styling or stuff like this, because in my head I'm like, don't nobody want to know how to do this, but yeah, I might be able to tell me different. And the more that I do this, the more that it's tightening and pulling his hair in. Some parts that I can feel that's a little straighter than others, so that's why I'm holding my finger and actually pulling in certain particular spots. You looking for?
Man, that's what they say. Right.
Going back and get his in, and that'll be it for this one. And usually I do this whole part afterwards, but considering that his hair was already washed and stuff. There you go. Okay. Thank you, sir. So that was the one. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I did a whole head. And these are called instalocs. And they are starting off right now if you have shorter hair at $250 for 4 inches or less. And it will be less than 100 locks. Just to let y'all know. The price will go up later. So, like I said, get on to it now. There is a deposit because I'm going to have to clear my day. These take between 4 to 6 hours depending on the length of hair.
We on hour 7.
Shut up. That's your fault. Wait. Yeah, so like I said, if y'all want classes or anything like that, just hit me up so I can know, and then I'll start actually start doing stuff like that or posting the videos in certain places so that you can go see it. All right.